Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to download and install Mysql. There are many ways to install Mysql, but I will teach you best one. And next some videos we will learn Mysql, how to create a database, delete a database, create a tables, select a data, and lot more things we will learn in Mysql. So let's download and install Mysql. So simply open your browser and type a XAMPP, and XAMPP, this is software and it contains MySQL. We don't need to install to download a MySQL separately. We don't need. Okay, this software already have a MySQL, Apache, and lots of tools it have. Okay, so let's click here, and then we need to choose our operating system. If you are using Linux, you can choose XAMPP for Linux, and if you're using a Mac, you can click here and download XAMPP for Mac. But I'm using Windows, so I'll click here and download this popped up, so let's save it. But this software already I have, so I will not download it again because this one already I have, so let's cancel it. But you have to download and install. Just there is simple wizard to next and install it. Okay, after installation you have to go you have to type like this: XAMPP control panel, and hit enter. So your control panel looks like, and then close this one because already I have started MySQL. Okay, I want to teach you from scratch. I will not skip any steps. Okay, so this is a MySQL. You need to start your MySQL services, so let's start it. So our MySQL services has been started. Its port number is 3306 and something like. And XAMPP also have Apache, but we don't need Apache it here. Okay, just we need a MySQL. So you have to start this Apache and then close this one, and close this one as well, and close this one as well. Okay, so now the question is how and where we can write our queries to create a database. Select a database and write some queries to get some data. I mean, just select a data and something like where we can do. Okay, so this is a big question in your mind. Okay, so for that, let's go minimize this one as well. Okay, and go to this PC, and then go to C drive and go to XAMPP, and here is a MySQL. You can see this is directory of MySQL. Let's open this one, and then go to bin, and here we can write all the things. Okay, select a data, create a database, and anything you can do with MySQL. Okay, one more way where we can do a same thing, I'll teach you that one as well. Okay, don't worry about that. And we are currently in a bean, so click here and just simply type a cmd. Okay, so here we will write our query. We need to connect to MySQL, then we will write a query. We can show databases, we can create database, everything we can do here. Okay, so let's first connect to MySQL. So just simply type MySQL minus u means username, and my username is root. By default, whenever you have installed this software, it will automatically create your database username is root. Okay, and then simply minus p for password and hit enter. So now it's saying enter your password. Okay, so by default its password is blank, so you don't need to type anything from your keyboard, just put it blank and just simply hit enter. And now we have connected to MySQL, and this is a MariaDB. This is another version of MySQL. This is a MySQL, but this is another version of MySQL. So now we have successfully connected to MariaDB. Okay, so now we want to check how many databases in our MySQL. So for that we need to type a query which is show databases. Okay, so all the things we will cover in this tutorial. Okay, you don't need to be worry about it. Just understand how we can connect, and how we can write a queries and something. This is just basic idea. Okay, in the next part we will understand some more things with MySQL. Okay, just understand how we can connect to MySQL. Okay, and once you have a typed so databases like these, okay, and hit enter, semicolon is important, and hit enter, it shows how many databases, like which databases is available in your MySQL. So I have CI tutorial and some schema, and MySQL performance schema, PHP Ajax tutorial, PHP tutorial, and Ratorji and something like. Okay, all the databases it's showing using this query. Okay, this query we will also understand in a next video, so don't worry about that. And let's understand another way how we can write a queries, and that way is more easy and very I mean just that's a so simple way to show a same thing. Okay, to we can do write queries and create a database and anything we can do with that way. Okay, so let's understand that way, the same thing we can do. Okay, so for that we need to start, let's open a control panel, and you need to start this Apache. Let's start. So now we have started Apache and MySQL. Okay, and then simply open your browser and just type it localhost like this, and here you need to type php myadmin. Okay, so php myadmin, this is not a MySQL. Okay, this is not our MySQL or, okay, it's loading a page. Okay, now we have connected to php myadmin. So php myadmin is not a database. Okay, this is a user interface, this is software, just like a software. And using this software we can do create a database, delete a database, any operation we can perform with the MySQL. Okay, so php myadmin is also a very useful software for understanding MySQL. Okay, so now let me check how many databases available. And okay, so for that we need to click to here databases, and it shows all the things. Okay, the same thing it's showing me a CI tutorial. Let me open here CI tutorial, and you can see CI tutorial information schema, MySQL and Ratorji and phpMyAdmin, and all the things is here. Okay, so same thing we can do. So you have a question which way we need to learn. Okay, so both the way you should know, and this way we can, yeah, this way, this is command line window, and this way we can do more fast. We can create a application, we can create a perform operation very fastly. Okay, so I will suggest you to choose this way, because you are a developer, you are a programmer, and you should know. I think you have to know, you have to write queries, not to use this user interface, because this is just for those people who don't know programming. Okay, and this way you can improve your skills, and also you can understand more things, and this is very useful for another programming languages. If you are using JSP and Java and something like, you can also connect MySQL with that. Okay, so today we have pretty much we have done. If you have any questions and doubt, you can ask me. And if you like, please give a thumbs up, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.